When it comes to keeping our cars in top-notch condition, there's no denying that having an OBD2 scanner is a must. However, there are plenty of scanners available in the market, ranging from engine OBD2 to multi-system OBD2 scan tools. And today, we'll review a scanner, which eventually became our main scanner for daily drives. The ScanX by Car2ls is an advanced Bluetooth multi-system OBD2 scanner designed for self-diagnosis, customization, and enhancing overall vehicle performance. We've been using it for quite a while now, so in this video, we'll show our fair share of experience with it. The packaging is really simple and to the point. We have the scanner in the pouch and a key fob. The pouch looks to be cloth-based and feels good enough to keep the scanner safe. Then we have some stickers and, as usual, the handy user manual. And the box contains a list at the back of compatible vehicles. Pause the video to check if your car's supported. ScanX, in our opinion, shines in terms of comprehensive diagnostics. Be it indicator errors or unusual hiccups, the OBD2 scanner has the computing power to understand and analyze it for its users. It also provided in-depth error codes and explanations that allowed us, while we used it, to pinpoint problems quickly. This feature alone convinced us that it has enough potential to be a daily scanner. On our car, we did not face any big issues while using the scanner, but the specs ensure from engine misfires to emissions checks, the ScanX should identify issues before they snowball into costly repairs. Another thing we appreciate about the ScanX is its ability to unlock hidden functions in a car. For our car, we could get access to one or two features that were reserved by Nissan for the higher trims. Overall, the customization options it provides feel good. And we think that for anyone who loves tweaking and optimizing their vehicle's performance, the ScanX offers a bunch right from the smartphone or tablet we carry. Speaking of smartphone integration, the real-time sensor readings are spot on. We have used a few different OBD2 scanners in the past, and ScanX's ability to show real-time data, like fuel efficiency, temperature readings, and RPMs, is both fascinating and incredibly useful. It did not matter if we were doing daily commutes or extended trips, the OBD2 scanner gave precise information all the time. A feature we found particularly interesting was the online vehicle control. With it, we could make changes to our vehicle and activate the same higher trim features as we did earlier, but without having the vehicle. It's a feature that we haven't seen many scanners offer, and while we might not need to use it every day, it was nice to have that level of control at our fingertips. Moreover, from a practical perspective, the fuel efficiency insights alone from the scanner can save fuel costs. By monitoring the car's health, the ScanX helped adjust our driving habits for better fuel consumption, making it an eco-friendly tool as well. It was quite reassuring to know how we handled our car and also let us take better care of it while we drove. The ScanX also not only shows the cause for indicator lights, but can reset it once it is resolved. So we did not have to run to the service station to get rid of the indicators. Then the Car Scanner app compatibility takes the ScanX to another level. It is presently one of the best car reader apps available in the market, and it's packed with advanced features and easy-to-read data displays that were very convenient for us to use and play around with. Plus, the app works across iOS, Android, and Windows, and we tested it out ourselves on different platforms and got the same output. Our whole experience with the ScanX was quite pleasant, but one thing we have seen while the app is comprehensive, it might feel a bit overwhelming for someone not used to vehicle diagnostics. While we enjoyed the jam-packed features, for many that might create complexities. Especially the older generation might have a hard time navigating through the app and using the features. A simpler, more streamlined interface might be better for those who just want basic features. However, the wide compatibility of the ScanX with almost all gasoline vehicles from 1996 onward and diesel cars since 2004 ensures it works with the majority of cars on the road today. This means whether you're driving a 20-year-old pickup or a newer sedan, the ScanX has you covered. All in all, the Car2ls ScanX is not just an OBD2 scanner. It's a versatile tool that offers peace of mind, enhanced vehicle control, and the ability to save on repair costs by addressing issues early. Its comprehensive diagnostics, Hidden feature activation and real-time sensor data make it a great choice for any car enthusiast. It can also help to ensure fuel efficiency, which helps us to save money and to become more eco-friendly. So that was our review of the ScanX. Thanks for watching. Feel free to express your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.